That's when it's my favorite. It makes your eyes twinkle.
Does it now?
Half price if you buy two.
Wow. You again? Is this your store?
No, my father's.
How much?
800 rupees, please.
800 rupees.
Okay, for you, 550.
Incredible. So, does your father usually leave you here alone?
No, he's away fighting the rebels.
Oh. The Indian army called him up, did they?
No, he volunteered.
Really? Well, if it was my choice, I wouldn't leave you here alone. All right. That's 300.
Bet the deal. 400 rupees plus Ganesh.
You don't want this. It's broken. See?
You don't know the story? Ganesh fought Parashuram while standing guard at his father's door.
Yes, to defend the honor of his father, Shiva, and got his tusk hacked off for his troubles.
Interesting.
Anyway, it's not for sale. Right on time. Okay, look. 600 rupees. You can keep the change.
Hey, wait! Hey, you need the guide.
Oh? And what'll that cost me?
My sister needs me. How am I supposed to get her tonight's groceries?
Need to be on that truck before it goes.
Oh,
So, you're Ganesh. How much for it?
Not for sale.
அப்பா எப்படி இருக்காரு?
கேட்டதுக்கு நன்றி. ஆனா உடம்பு சரியில்லை.
Excuse me.
What?
Don't get me wrong. Decent technique on the lift. But I'd like my Ganesh back. Please.
Fine.
A for effort, kid.
You can't go inside without removing your shoes.
I know. I just wanted to look at the mandapam.
People aren't allowed across the bridge. It's too dangerous.
Listen, kid. It's been really fun. You need to make yourself scarce.
I have a spare bed in the store. 300 rupees. Best deal in all of India.
Okay, no thanks. I need to get on this truck.
Bad idea. They're rebels. They hurt people.
Listen. I need to help my friend, okay? Tell you what. When I get back, pizza's on me. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Shit. Damn it.
Sir,
Wait!
sir,
Oh,
please.
God.
My dad, we were eating ice cream. I can't find him. I can't get home without him.
It's okay.
He was standing over there. I was speaking to the man. I turned around and he was gone. Wait, there he is. There he is. Thank you, sir.
That's it. Better than nothing. Here we go. It's just an active war zone. Nothing you can't handle. Why are they still here? God, get out while you can.
Move, let's go! He's in here! What are you doing? Let's go! Move it!
Nothing wrong!
No!
Bloody bully.
Shut up!
Go on, Sly. Get in the truck.
Move it!
The road, man.
I said get in the truck! Now!
क्या कर रहा है? वहाँ नहीं, यहाँ, इस तरफ यहाँ जाओ। यहाँ। बाहर निकल, जल्दी, निकल।
Guess I don't have a choice.
Hey, hold on. What's your rush? How do I know you're not smuggling something in here? Arms up.
Hey,
It's dangerous to be out so late.
hey! Where do you live? What are you, deaf?
Answer him!
I said, where do you live?
Aravdazon.
I'm in the middle of something.
It can wait.
Yes, sir.
Meet me inside.
Understood. You, with me. Man the gun.
Sir, what about her?
Just let her through.
You heard him. Get going.
Lucky for them, I've got somewhere to be.
क्या कर रहा है?
Red door. Check. Not this way.
Yeah.
Get off the streets.
Our shift ends in an hour. I need sleep.
You can sleep in the truck.
No, thank you. Is that the last of them?
Almost. There's a couple more in the alley. Moving out tonight.
Can't wait. Tired of these people.
No. Asad says 1 week.
Another week in this shithole.
Remember the end goal, brother.
Still have that bottle of coconut around.
I might. What is it worth to you?
My eternal gratitude.
Not good enough.
Oh, shit. Great timing.
When did you...
Pink Lotus. The hell does that mean?
How long you can hold the movement? Long enough. Been with Asaf since he was chasing down small trinkets all over India. I'd like to join a real fight. This place is a shithole.
Nice and easy.
Tired of these small operations. When do we take the fight to the tyrant?
Asa says he needs more time to prepare. They won't think that for much longer.
Been here for weeks.
Every piece helps. We must be the army hides everything.
Even corner doors like that.
Safe. Indian Army's not messing around. Ah, Pink Lotus. Not what I was picturing.
There was at least 2 targets. One was the warehouse, the other... You're in the wrong place, girl.
What the hell?
Nowhere to run, girl.
You're late, Fraser. Nice to see you too.
Holy shit! They took out the first squad! Stop them!
What the hell was that? I thought you were a professional.
Oh, you should relax. You'll live longer.
Relax. It took me weeks to track down Asaf. The man's as unpredictable as they come.
He's just another warmonger with no war to fight.
No, you don't know him like I do. He changes location and routines by the hour. We'd be foolish to take unnecessary risks.
Let's get one thing straight. This is my gig. You want your share? We play by my rules. be.
He's the one with the beard.
That's the spirit. Handsome.
If you're into psychopaths.
Nobody's perfect. Where's base camp?
Top floor balcony.
All right. Let's do this.